Now be patient before you re-accelerate here. Now we can gradually accelerate. Alright, on the brakes. Slow, 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 slow. Take your time. Gradual acceleration here. Alright, nice and smooth, not too hard on the gas pedal. Alright, easy, slow down. Re-accelerate to 60. Alright, keep it up. And on the brakes hard. There you go. To a stop, to a stop, 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 stop. There, good job. Okay.
Running fast,
Same thing when